What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. We just made it to our final destination, and guys, it was such a long trip, but we took some pieces of videos for you guys to see. So hope you guys watch the video and maybe you guys can guess before the video end where we are. That was work. It was a lot of work.
Guys, I'm stressed out.
We
like
made it.
anytime I travel, I feel like, I don't know if it's just travel stress, I just feel a pimple coming, and then my pimple cream.
Pimple you talk about now?
My pimple cream is in
Guys,
my check.
after all what we just got through, you talk about pimple. Guys, we went through a lot of stress. We won't elaborate on it. We'll just say,
now, just make sure you have your PCR and your antigen. Just do both.
Not alone. Make sure you have a PCR, antigen, and your the card. When you the vaccination card, all of that stuff. They need everything. Bring your license, your registration, your house title, everything, your insurance, all that. They need it. You know what I mean? Your shoe size. But yeah, guys, we're in the lounge now and about to get some food.
But back on my pimple. Wait.
Yo, nobody no pimple business, man. I mean, get picked up from school already?
I'm about to find out.
Yeah, check see if you can get picked up. But yeah, guys, we're hungry. We're in the lounge waiting on some food.
I have these cute little mini face masks.
Where do face mask now? You can't put on face mask now?
Yeah, I can. On the plane. On the long flight. No, but there were these mini ones, and then it goes on like cream, like sheer, and then I just wash it off.
Face mask in a plane. What kind of diva travel this? Travel service? Diva travel service? Yeah?
It's about the skin, baby. The skin care.
Alright.
It's about...
Lady just told Alyshia that she love her husband. Lady love her husband.
Well, I didn't hear it because I'm busy looking for my skincare. Alright, this is your infused water. I'm gonna drink all this liquid and I have to pee.
So she not bring no water for me?
Ladies first.
Oh, that water the different. Oh.
It's infused water.
Yeah, that water different. That water that infused with some infusion.
It look like the orange or something. It's infused.
Oh, look like apple in it too.
Yeah, some apple.
So guys, the closer we get to our destination, the more info we'll give you guys on where we're going. We don't want to give it away at the start of the video, so we'll take you guys on the trip, you know, and you know, I mean, so far you see that traveling hectic these days, very hectic. So
flawless, like it's not seamless.
Yeah.
So many steps and process to go through, and it's even changed from when I traveled last year to New York. It's changed. The requirements have changed drastically.
yeah, because when you travel last year, you never need vaccination. Not even to come out. Patty, I come now.
So we have an issue. What's the issue?
What issue?
The issue is the chicken patty is not ready yet. This is not starting. Yeah.
What you give me life?
Girl, I was a mess.
Lifesaver.
Save lives.
Thank you.
Oh my lord. You know, he's a superstar.
Run into the athletes going indoors. Are we in Serbia?
Here.
Serbia? Alright. Stephanie, my person. There is no Sherika. And these are our Caribbean neighbors. Foreigners. So yeah, guys, I wish them the best at the world indoors, and I know you guys were watching.
Thank you.
Alright guys, we are on board.
Last but not least, the face covering needs to be on, covering your nose. For duration of the flight. Any questions?
Next video, guys, I'm gonna video Alyshia when her neck
have an
bubble
hour
like
and
this.
22 minutes of flight time to Miami. Weather there is partly
Alright
cloudy,
guys, see you
24
guys in
degrees
Miami.
centigrade,
We're in Miami, but it has been a long wait. The lines, ridiculous, man. We're in immigration for 2 hours.
2.5?
Yeah, something like that. In immigration for so long, and then
In total 3
the
hours.
connecting flight. Oh gosh, another long
3
line.
hours.
Yeah, it was a long way, but we're headed to the other flight right now. So yeah, we're looking for food. Alyshia needs food. I need to feed her.
I'm starving.
Yeah, I'm gonna feed her up there. Just shut them down, lock. Alright, so wait on the plane food. The next stop is in Doha, and the flight is boarding probably next 20 minutes. So we need to grab some food, and that's gonna be a long flight. I don't know if the plane food good. Plane food probably shaky, but I mean it probably good.
Probably isn't.
Why is so far from me?
No. Papa, I'm seeing later.
So we're not sitting together because
not.
these are just one seats. It's fine. Bye bye. This is going to be a long flight. I'm so not ready for this, but got comfortable seats so we can fall asleep. Qatar Airlines really nice, guys. Really nice. Have our own room. Alyshia in her own room around there. We need one bed. They need to make these things with one bed so husband and wife can stay in one bed. But that might cause some problems in the plane. So let's stick with it like this. But yeah guys, we'll see you guys when we get to Qatar, to Doha. Why are you invading my space? Why invading my space, man?
May I have your attention please? Customer Gaia Umar, please make yourself known immediately with ground staff at the aircraft door. Gaia
don't
Umar,
disturb me,
please
like,
make yourself known
15
immediately
hours of
with
flight, I
ground
don't want
staff.
a
Thank you.
disturbance. So guys, we have made it to Qatar.
Guys, I want some greedy
Doha.
again. I'm hungry. But I just had a smoothie.
You're always hungry.
No, I just had a smoothie, okay? For
Guys,
breakfast. And tea.
We just ran into a Jamaican.
Yes.
He's going to Dubai. Jamaicans are everywhere.
Everywhere.
But guys, this trip has been so exhausting, and for you guys, this video is just going to be a few minutes, and we
the
are
wear and tear
traveling
is real.
for 2 days.
Like pretty much, we're here for 10 hours. We're pretty much 10 hours more to go and some change because 5 hours here, another 5-hour flight.
So we are about to take a train and go find a lounge here and chill because our next flight is not until the next 5-6 hours. So just gonna chill.
Long term.
It's a long ride.
Can we take that train or
Short
what
video
train
for
do
you
we
guys,
take?
but for us a long ride. Yeah?
What train do we
Thank you. Vitamin C. So guys, we are on our last flight, hopefully. Hopefully this is the last flight, and this is a 5-hour flight. So, yeah, and I'm by myself. These people trying to separate me and Alyshia all day.
I'm doing my reel. Hi. Essentials. Vitamin C.
Always I make a reel. Jeez. So guys, we will update you on when we get there. This has been a long trip and I'm super tired, and I hope you guys enjoying this video so far because I'm tired, guys, and taking some energy to make these videos.
The first course. The first course.
Just spread out.
Yep. I'm watching the first course.
Tell you, I watch them something like I plan for me.
I don't understand. Why are half of the people on divorce court not married, but they're at divorce court?
You know, I guess we call that when you live with somebody for a while. Yeah, come on now.
Sure, it's over now. Finally here. Feels so good. Are you ready? Excited?
This has been a very long trip, and I hope we don't have any more. Alyshia was saying we might have to take a boat or a small plane. I hope not. I hope this is it. I will just get in our car and go to the hotel. I hope so. So guys, Alyshia, big shot. Can I come pick her up right at the airplane?
I'm a big shot, like based off of association.
Big shot. We have Lemma come pick you up. But yeah guys, we're here and apparently we have a 15-minute boat ride.
Oh la la.
15-minute boat ride. Not bad.
No.
It's pretty quick.
It's quick.
Guess by now we are in the Maldives, and that was a lovely welcome. We're tired, we're super tired. We're what, 15 minutes? 15 minutes on a boat ride, and what time is it now?
8:56 a.m.
It's 8:56 a.m. right now, and in Jamaica is what time? I think it's like 10 hours time difference. It's 12.
Yeah, 12.
12 midnight in Jamaica. Yeah, 10 hours time difference.
On the bridge, you have to run on the bridge, 457 meters.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. Island boy, I'm an island boy. Guys, we made it to our room, made it to the Maldives. Guys, I feel so good. We're gonna shower now, get some rest, and then we will show you guys, you know, bits and pieces, but we try to enjoy it as much as we can. So see you guys soon, and hope you guys like this video and enjoy watching it.